Kaseng Congress kalarai bahagani ka dorbar senrai Ngin Wanrah ya ka resolution ban Weng Noh ya speaker ne ulampang ka yeng dorbar uba met ba ling do na ka Shuki. U Dr. Mukul unong yalam ka CLP ula ong ba ka Ngin Wanrah ya ka resolution kan longkat kum ki kendon trikam jong ka yeng dorbar. Tamba shimla ya thopat ki ki daw ba ki kwa ban Weng Noh ya speaker.
Move a resolution for the removal of the Honorable Speaker from the office of the Speaker. And this having been shared before you, since this has already been submitted before the Assembly as per the rules of procedure and conduct of business and inconsistent with the relevant provision of the Constitution of India, that is Article 179 of Constitution of India. The details we will be obviously discussing in the August House as we submit our stand as to why we justify our call for adopting a resolution for asking the Speaker to vacate the office of the Speaker.
Hagajo kapor u Dr. Mukul ula ong ru ba ki dekhot kaliang persya Ngin Wanrah ru bon kimat ban pinki ya ka sarkar hagani ka dorbar ka ban sedang nadu ka shiphau tarik u nailur 8000 arpaway.